Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how this can get converted to this. So stay tuned. So I'm going to use two different grits of sandpaper. We are going to wet sand it. So this is 80 grit. So first pass was using 80 grit. Now I have this 320 grit that I'll use to take off the scratches with the 80 grit made. So yeah. So here is my paint and this is the thinner. So let me mix up. So next I'm going to wax and grease some of it and then we will start spraying. So now we have to let it dry because the clear coat will take at least 4 to 5 hours to cure. I have laid very thick coat of clear to see how good it looks. Plus my prep job is not that great because I can see a lot of issues. Plus there is another thing that I kind of missed on the tank, which was using 2K primer. Unfortunately the shops are not open, so I applied paint directly. Anyways, this is not a tank that is going to go on a bike. This is an extra tank that I had, which I have painted. So another thing is painted tanks have a bit more value because my plan was to sell this off because I didn't need this tank. Since I got a new tank from Kashmir, I got this one repaired just in case if I need it in future. So I thought this would be a good candidate to learn spray painting on. So apart from these tanks, I actually have 2 more tanks which are lying up, but then those were some special stuff. Like the brown one that you see first was from one of my build, and the other one behind it is the original RXZ tank that came with my RXZ, which is the one standing here. So I've kept that for emotional reasons, and I think this cover also belongs to the 100 was actually grey in color, so I went for the Hyundai grey. So because shops are closed, I couldn't get the 2K primer, but for learning how to paint, I think this is pretty good. So I just want to see how well this comes out, how forgiving it is if there are small scratches, because my ultimate plan is to not outsource the painting at least. So yeah, ignore the dustbin over there. So I'm sorry I'm not capturing from good angles. So yeah, it laid out pretty even. The new gun is actually awesome. So yeah, that's about it. So once it is dry, I'll shoot the video again. There are actually little bit of runs, as you can see here, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with the paint job. What I'll do is I'll cut and buff this. This is also kind of looking good for an engine cover. So yeah, it turned out to be really good. So let's wait for the paint and the clear to dry, then I'll show you guys how it looks under the light. So on top of it, we can directly apply the stickers. So this gives me an idea actually. I have some more body panels left, so these 3 I can actually paint in black. So yeah, that is going to be the next item. So let me know in the comments how it looks for a first time painter. I'm not an expert in this. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Have a good night.